If you're considering Quuu for your social media management and analytics, here are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. Stick around till the end because we'll also compare it to some competitors and highlight the best solution you can try for free. First, Quuu is known for its content curation capabilities. It automates the process of sharing high-quality content across your social media profiles. Compared to tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, Quuu's curated content feature is really where it stands out. With Buffer, you have to manually find and schedule content, which can be time-consuming. Quuu does that work for you, ensuring your social media feeds are always active. Next thing to consider, integration with other tools. Quuu works well with apps like Zapier, allowing you to automate actions between social media platforms. However, its integrations are fewer compared to some major players like Sprout Social, which offers more comprehensive integration options across a wider range of tools. The third thing you should know is about content customization. With Quuu, you're getting curated content that fits your niche, but it doesn't provide a lot of room for personal customization. Well, it's a huge time saver for busy teams. If you're looking for complete control over your posts, tools like ContentCal offer deeper customization options. The fourth thing is analytics. Quuu offers basic analytics, but is not as robust as competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which give you detailed insights into post performance, audience engagement, and ROI. If data-driven decision-making is crucial for your business, you might want to look for a tool that goes deeper into analytics. The fifth thing is scheduling. Quuu allows you to schedule curated content, but it doesn't have the full range of scheduling features seen in more advanced tools. If you're looking for post scheduling with fine-tuned timing and flexibility, tools like Later or Buffer might serve you better. The sixth thing is cost. Quuu is relatively affordable, especially compared to more premium tools like Sprout Social. However, for the features it offers, some might find its pricing slightly on the higher side if you don't need full-scale automation. It's a good deal for smaller businesses, but may not be as cost-effective for large teams needing extensive features. Next, the seventh thing you need to know is customer support. Quuu's support is decent, but it's not as immediate or comprehensive as some other platforms. If you value 24/7 support, you might find alternatives like Hootsuite or Sprout Social more satisfying, as they provide extensive help and live chat options. The eighth thing to note is Quuu's content diversity. Quuu focuses heavily on high-quality curated content, but it lacks the depth of content creation and design options found in tools like Canva or Buffer. If you want more creative flexibility and customization for your posts, Quuu may not be enough. The ninth thing to keep in mind is its simplicity. Quuu is very easy to use and beginner-friendly, making it a great option if you're just starting with social media management. Tools like Hootsuite and Sprout Social offer more complex features, but that could be overwhelming for new users or small businesses without a dedicated social media team. The 10th thing is its target audience. Quuu is particularly strong for individuals or small businesses who want to outsource the content curation process. Larger enterprises or those with more complex needs may find Quuu less suitable due to its limited functionality compared to all-in-one platforms like Sprout Social. The 11th thing to know is about its growth. Quuu's content library is always expanding, which means you're getting fresh, relevant content. However, it still can't match the depth and variety of content sources provided by competitors like BuzzSumo or Hootsuite, which aggregate content from a broader range of publications and blogs. Lastly, Quuu is a great tool for growing your social presence, but it doesn't do everything. If you're looking for more than just curated content, it might not be the complete solution you need. Alternatives like Buffer or Sprout Social provide more extensive features, such as multi-platform posting, in-depth analytics, and collaboration tools. Quuu is a solid option for automating content curation, but if you're seeking a better overall social media management tool, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It offers a more comprehensive feature set and is ideal for scaling your social media efforts without missing a beat.